Let's take a look at the three types of eggs we have here at Common Ground. Here are our chicken eggs. Notice all the different colors that we have, different sizes. Here are our duck eggs. They're a little bit larger, also a different color. And here are our turkey eggs. They're white and brown speckled, much larger than our chicken eggs. We're going to take a closer look at a chicken egg. You can see with your eyes the bumpy greeny texture of the eggshell. If you take a magnifying glass, you can see the tiny holes or pores in the shell. These allow air and moisture to pass through the shell. Before an egg is washed, there's a thin outermost coating called a bloom or cuticle that helps keep bacteria and dust out. Once an egg is washed, it needs to be refrigerated because the bloom is gone. Let's crack open the egg to see what's inside. This is something you can do at home with any chicken egg. Here we have the inner and outer membranes. These are between the egg shell and the egg white and help keep bacteria out of the egg. You will see if you pull on it, it's surprisingly strong. They are partly made of keratin, a protein that's also in human hair. Let's take a closer look at all the different parts of the egg. Here is the shell membrane again, inner and outer layers. Here we see the air cell. This is where gases like oxygen are stored in the egg. The air cell is created when the egg is laid, and as the egg ages, the air cell grows larger. This is why older eggs float to the top of the water. Again, here is the eggshell, which is made up mostly of calcium. Here is the albumin, or the egg white. It has 4 layers, 2 thin watery layers and 2 thicker layers. The egg white is food for the baby chick, and it is 90% water and 10% protein. Here are the chalaza, or anchors. These hold the yolk in the center of the egg like little anchors. They're most pronounced when the egg is new. Here is the yolk. The yolk is food for the baby chick. This white spot is called the germinal disc. This is where the baby chick will start to grow if the egg is fertilized. As I poke it, you can see the vitelline membrane or yolk membrane. This is the clear casing that encloses the yolk and keeps it all contained. If you break the vitelline membrane, the yolk will come out. Again, here is the yolk. If you remember, the yolk is the main food for the baby chick. It contains more protein, plus some fat, vitamins, and minerals. Let's compare a duck egg. As you can see, it looks similar to a chicken egg, but it's a bit bigger. If you look closely, you'll notice all the different parts that we just identified in the chicken egg, also in the duck egg. Have fun with your own experiments!